We are now introducing the installation of this electromagnetic vibration table. These are our straps. The straps are used to secure the products we test. We will place the products to be tested on the vibration table. We just pass the straps through here, and then secure the products to be tested firmly. The table body and main unit of the electromagnetic vibration table are separated when it leaves the factory. We need to insert the plug of the vibration table into the main unit. Insert into this hole. Then tighten it firmly. This equipment works with 220 volts voltage. You can just plug it into a power socket directly. It's now powered on. This is the power on interface. It's currently in Chinese mode, and you can switch it to English. Click here. Select English here. This is the time setting. This is the language setting where you can switch between Chinese and English. This is the buzzer. If you turn on the buzzer, it will sound an alarm when the device triggers an alert. Click here on the menu. This is the run interface, and this is the parameter settings section. Click here. This is the fixed value mode, and this is the program mode. This is the setting method for the fixed value mode. This is the setting method for the program. Let's first introduce the fixed value mode. Click on the fixed value. This is the total test time. The former is minutes and the latter is seconds. This is the vibration direction setting of the device. This device has 3 axes in total. If off is selected, it indicates that this section is not selected. In general, you need to select one axis. For example, the X-axis. You can select the operating status here, with options of sweep or fixed, F. This is fixed, F. This is sweep. This is full wave sweep. This is half wave sweep. This can be selected according to our requirements. This is the end frequency during a frequency sweep. For example, if you want it to reach 200, just enter 200. This is the start frequency during a frequency sweep. It can be set according to our requirements. For example, enter 2 or 5. This is the cycle count setting for frequency sweep. For example, you may set the device to cycle 120 times or 50 times within 120 minutes. And this can be configured according to your requirements. The time can also be set to 60 minutes, which means 50 cycles need to be completed within 60 minutes. After the settings are completed, navigate to this page. Click here to start. Our device will start the frequency sweep from here, scanning from the start frequency up to the final frequency of 200. Continuous cyclic testing will generate a curve graph. Stop the device now. This is the introduction to the fixed value mode. Click here for program parameter settings. The vibration directions of our device include the X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. For example, first select and set up the first program. Click here. Select the vibration direction from here. The X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis are available for selection. Select the X-axis. You can select sweep frequency and fixed frequency here. Select half wave or full wave here. You can set the cutoff frequency here, which is also known as the maximum frequency. If a frequency of 100 is required, enter 100 here. This is the start frequency, and we set it to 5. This is the number of cycles. This is the total time setting. For example, set it to 880 minutes. This indicates that the device will perform 2 cycles within 880 minutes. You can also set it to 4. The settings here can be configured according to your own requirements. This is the pause time setting, which can also be configured according to your own requirements. This is the setting for number 1. The setting for number 2 follows the same principle, so please configure them according to your own requirements. There are a total of 10 programs here. Green indicates the on state, and red indicates the off state. If you need to enable the on state, click once and it will be turned on. If you need to turn it off, click again and that's it. Change the operating mode here to program. Return to the operation interface again. Click test. The device will start running from here after completing the current step. Continue to execute according to the subsequent process until all steps are finished.